Coin App Review 2025 XYO Pros and Cons Authentic and Genuine. In 2025, the Coin App by XYO allows users to earn XYO tokens by sharing verified location data through geo-mining. As you move, the app tracks and anonymously confirms your location on the XYO decentralized blockchain network. This information supports practical applications in logistics, e-commerce, gaming, and insurance. With more than 8 million users, the Coin App turns earning crypto rewards into a game, allowing users to redeem earnings for cryptocurrencies, gift cards, or electronics. Benefits include a growing user base, an easy-to-navigate interface, and the ability to earn simply by staying active. The app is free, offers transparency via blockchain verification. However, rewards are generally modest and require regular app use and physical movement. Some users feel the payout system is slow, and the value of XYO tokens is subject to the cryptocurrency market fluctuations. Overall, Coin App is a genuine geo-mining platform with real-world blockchain uses. It's a good option for those interested in location-based crypto rewards, but should be approached with realistic expectations about earnings. Subscribe.